Oh, go ahead.
It says, happy birthday to my Superman. Love, your wife.
Hurry up and open it. Oh my god. You're doing the same thing you did last night.
Se lo suspenso.
Oh god. He took like literally like a whole 5 minutes in opening his thing. He couldn't open it. Huh? Yeah.
Where'd they get him?
The Superman apron.
I knew you were going to do that.
What?
What?
Get you Converse?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well,
Yes,
these are special.
Yes, for my size. This is pretty neat. Yeah, right? Thank you, honey.
Do you like them?
Yeah, they're nice. You got some chucks.
Superman chucks.
I don't know about these laces, but yeah.